Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how Open English works, an only English learning platform. To begin your journey with Open English, go to the official website. Once you have created your account, which will be provided to you, go to the Student Access section. Depending on the brand you be chosen, adult or child, you can log in, access the platform. After logging in, you will find three main sections: Home, Progress, and Course. In the Home sections, you can see your level objectives and Beginner Traveler. The objectives show you the number of live classes you need to take and how many you will complete. In the Progress section, you will find feedback from your teachers, your connection days, your progress with activities, certificates earned, and exams score. You will also see the badges you be earned, including weekly, special, and performance badge. In the course section, you can pick up where you left off and prepare for certification exams. Open English offers 24/7 live group classes. Private classes are personalized with a teacher, ideal for specific needs or faster learning. Group classes allow you to practice with other students. Perfect for improving your skills with other training. Units are designed to help you learn English, covering topics like vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and listening comprehension. The practice section helps reinforce what you be learning in class and training units with vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and listening comprehension exercise. The professional English section prepares you for workplace situations with topics like business, finance, technology, and health. Open English uses a badge and mile system to motivate your learning. Badges are rewards for completing activities or reaching goals. Miles are points you accumulated throughout your activities. Open English is an only English learning platform that offers various resources and tools for effective English learning. Here are some recommendations for success on Open English. Participate in live class to practice with other students or teachers. Complete training units to master the fundamentals of English. Allocate daily practice time for consistent learning. If you want to learn English, I invite you to try Open English. Use this link to get a 16% discount on registration in discount link. That's all about how Open English works. If you like this video or have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content.